In this video, we will present the Point Directions tool stitch flow. The Point Directions tool is only available on satin and piping stitch types. Using this mode, you can specify a point on an object, and that object will be filled with stitches starting from its outer edge towards the selected point. On satin objects, the stitches start from the outline to the defined point. By using the Add Short or Long parameter, you can choose whether all the stitches starting from the edge will end to the point set or not. This helps to avoid too many stitches on top of the center point, which may cause problems. You can move the point direction or delete by pressing the X on top of the icon. There may be times when you want a satin look for shades for which satin would not be the typical choice. Using point directions, you can create unique satin effects. Click on any point to set the direction. Changing the point will affect the overall design. You can apply multiple point directions, but they are actually applied only if the object is divided first. Each division of the object can have one point direction. On a piping object, you can create a spiral effect, and this is being described in a separate video.